You spend hours writing blog posts for your Shopify store, but which ones actually bring in sales? Most merchants have no idea. BlockPress changes that. See exactly which blog posts make you money. No GA4 setup, no spreadsheets. It starts with a real block editor, not Shopify's plain text box. Drag and drop headings, images, product cards, and over 20 content blocks to build a post that looks designed in minutes. Out of ideas? Give the AI assistant a topic. Pick a tone, a language, and a style, and it writes a complete, structured article in your brand voice. A full first draft in the time it takes to grab a coffee. Every post is graded as you write, a live SEO and UX score with a clear checklist of exactly what to fix, so you publish posts that are built to rank, not guesses. Then make it shoppable. Add inline buy buttons, review stars, and one-click product bundles. Your readers add to cart without ever leaving the post. Your blog becomes a storefront. And here's the part nobody else does. When a reader clicks a product in your post and buys, BlockPress credits that sale back to the post that drove it. Automatically, you see exactly which articles make you money with zero setup and no GA4. Not sure what to write next? BlockPress shows you real search volume and difficulty for any keyword, then turns the winner into a ready-to-edit draft in one click. Write what people are actually searching for. BlockPress, the blog that actually ranks and actually sells. Install it free on the Shopify App Store at blockpress.app.